guys, we're at the Cosmopolitan. We're staying in a terrace suite, and I want to give you a look inside. So come along. The suite is set up pretty sweetly with a nice dining table, artwork everywhere, and a little kitchenette. But don't get too excited by all you see on the counter here. The waters on the right are ones that we brought, and everything on the left is part of the mini bar, and it's pretty darn expensive. So the cool thing about this suite is that it has 2 bathrooms, and even the secondary bathroom has a shower in it. So you could literally have his and hers bathrooms, which we did. But of course I got the master. Another nice thing about this room is that there are actually 2 mini fridges. One that comes empty, this is the stuff that we brought with us. And then of course they have their standard mini bar fridge, which you don't want to touch anything in unless you are prepared to pay a pretty penny. If you're enjoying this content so far, please do us a favor and smash that like button. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and joining us in the fun of Las Vegas, Cancun, and other locations. Okay, back to the room tour. So you come into the living room area and there's this sexy lady on the wall. But really everything in this room just feels really sexy. The decor, the artwork, everything. The bedroom is what I would expect from a luxury hotel. Very comfortable bedding, charging ports wherever you need them, good lighting, and a decent closet. If you want to see more about our trip to Vegas and get a little more footage of the Cosmopolitan Hotel itself, be sure to watch our vlog. I'm going to link it above and put it in the description. The master bathroom is very spacious, very clean. The tub does have jets, so you can use it as a little jacuzzi. And the toiletries were really nice. They smelled very good, and I actually used the shampoo and conditioner, which most of the time I do not approve of shampoos and conditioners in hotels. So this is a random odd closet, and just because of the connection, it makes me wonder if it was intended to be a laundry room. There were condos that were intended for the Cosmo when they were first planning it, so it's possible. Drinks on the balcony overlooking the Bellagio Fountains? Yes, please.
Nothing won't be lost if you try. I'm pretty sure it's worth you'll change your life. Nothing won't be lost if you dive so deep into my heart.
And the view at night was even more spectacular than during the day. It just doesn't get better than this. And with the temperatures being as hot as they were in June, it just felt amazing being outside, having a drink, and really just taking in the breathtaking city. So once again, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and we will see you next time.